In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Pipedrive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or just need a refresher, this straightforward guide will help you seamlessly bring your leads into your pipeline, ensuring every potential opportunity is accounted for. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to pipedrive.com. Once there, you'll want to undergo the login process. Locate the login button prominently displayed on the homepage and select it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. In the respective fields, type in your email address and password. This will grant you access to your Pipedrive dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, there's an option for recovery right there on the login page. After you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on Login to access your account. Once you're logged into your Pipedrive dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation bar. You're going to look for the More button in the menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down list of additional options that Pipedrive offers beyond your regular navigation tools. From the drop-down, go ahead and click on Import Data. This important feature allows you to bring in information from external sources and populate your Pipedrive with the right data. You'll now be met with a new screen prompting you to upload your spreadsheet. This is the step where you actually choose the file with your leads. Pipedrive is compatible with both .xlsx and .csv formats, so make sure your spreadsheet is one of these types. Click on Upload Spreadsheet to begin the process. After your spreadsheet is uploaded, you might need to fix fields. This means aligning your spreadsheet columns with Pipedrive's database columns. Pipedrive usually does a decent job of auto mapping, but it's a good practice to double check to prevent any errors. Review and ensure that each column matches appropriately in terms of what Pipedrive is expecting. Taking time in this step can save a lot of headaches later. With that setup complete, go ahead and click Next. This will lead you towards finalizing your changes and preparing your data for merging. At this point, you're presented with a Merge Data option. This is the final step before your fresh leads are officially imported into your pipeline. It allows Pipedrive to synchronize new data with existing records, ensuring no duplicates while preserving the integrity of your existing data. Click on Merge Data. The last part of this process is crucial, starting the actual import. As you're ready, click on Start Import. Pipedrive will begin integrating your new leads into the database. Depending on the size of your file, this could take a couple of minutes. Once the import is complete, a